Well, we came into the game na wala kaming import, no. Nagka-break kami. Na-injure yung import nila. So we felt na magandang break yun, papareha siya. Of course, we did not want to see yung injury sa import. Kaya lang, aksidente naman talaga yung nangyari. I think yung game is closer than what the score says. No? Parang 10 points yata yun. Pero I think it's a lot closer than that. And sa akin, ang naging malaking factor dito yung 43 free throws na binigay sa Meralco. Yun nga, as close as the game is, no? And you are able to go to the free throw line 43 times, mahirap kang talunin talaga kung ganun karami yung free throws na ibibigay sa'yo. Of course, we can agree that some of those free throws were well deserved, no? Pero merong mga borderline talaga na may mga borderline talaga na siguro naibigay sa kanila yung benefit of the doubt, no? Extraordinary naman talaga yung magkaroon ng 43 free throws for any team, especially sa amin. On record, we're able to play defense without fouling, no? Na every conference naman yun, we are the team that gives up the least free throws, because that's really part of our principle, no? Defending without fouling. And on record, makikita natin yun. Even if you look at the stats, we're one of the teams, or probably the team that gives up the least free throws. But today we gave up 43 free throws, so that's an outlier, no? Parang paano nangyari yun, no? Pero ganun talaga, wala tayong magagawa. We're looking forward to our game on Wednesday with our import, kasi gusto ko makita rin siya sa laban, no? Maganda ini-ensayo niya. We're very happy with him, so I really want to see him in live competition.